Amazon Beauty Blender actually a dupe for the real thing? Hey everyone, I'm Coral and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a review of the Beaky makeup sponges from Amazon. A while back, a friend of mine who is a makeup artist recommended that I try these out. I've always just been a fan of the original Beauty Blender. I've been using those for years. So when my last Beauty Blender was ready to be replaced, I figured I would give them a try. I've been using them for a while now, so I'm going to share with you my review and thoughts about the product and if it is actually a dupe for the real thing. First, let's talk about the cost. The Beaky makeup sponges from Amazon come with 5 in a pack. This pack of 5 costs $8.99, so pretty much $9. Since it's a pack of 5, that comes out to about $1.80 per sponge. The original Beauty Blender is $20 for one sponge. So that is a huge price difference in these two products. The first thing that I noticed when taking these sponges out of the pouch is that the material in the Beaky makeup sponge and the Beauty Blender feels the same. They both have the same type of bounce when you squeeze them. I will say that the Beaky makeup sponge is actually softer than the regular Beauty Blender. Whenever you touch it, it just feels a little bit softer. I actually like the feel of the Beaky sponge better than the original Beauty Blender. It just feels nicer and softer in your hands. Both are also latex free, and as I was using them, they seem to absorb the same amount of makeup. You wet them both before you use them, and that helps it absorb less makeup. Obviously, there's a little bit of absorption going on whenever you're putting it on your face, and whenever I've been washing it out, I've noticed that it's about the same amount of makeup that's in the Beaky sponge as the Beauty Blender. The sponges are also pretty much the same size. When they are fully dry, when you first get them, they're pretty similar size, and then when you get them wet, the Beaky sponge also expands just like the Beauty Blender, and the size is pretty much the same. They also have the same teardrop shape. Some other Beauty Blender dupes have flat ends or are shaped a little bit differently. These two sponges have the same shape. There's the round end for applying your foundation, and then the pointy end for concealer and other more fine applications. I have noticed that the Beaky sponge is a little bit more angled on the pointy end than the Beauty Blender. This is just different. It's not bad. It's taken a little bit of getting used to for me when I'm applying my concealer, just because I have to tilt it a little bit differently and move my hand just a little bit differently whenever I'm applying it, but this isn't a bad thing at all. I also feel like the Beaky makeup sponge works just as well as the Beauty Blender. As I've been using it, I haven't noticed a difference in the way my foundation or concealer looks when I'm applying it with the Beaky sponge as opposed to the Beauty Blender. My face still looks really nice and has that soft airbrushed feel. My foundation looks nice, my concealer looks nice. All of my makeup really looks the same, and so I've been really happy with the way that the sponge works. Lastly, cleaning is also the same with this Beaky sponge and the Beauty Blender, and you can either use a liquid soap like baby shampoo or a specific makeup sponge cleaner or a gentle bar soap for cleaning it. Whenever I'm cleaning the Beaky sponge, it gets just as clean as my Beauty Blender did. I haven't noticed any difference in cleaning or the amount of makeup that comes out of it whenever I'm done. Overall, I think this Beaky makeup sponge is a solid dupe. It provides the same results as the original Beauty Blender at a fraction of the price. And while I still need to get used to the more angled pointy end, I will for sure be switching to these Beaky makeup sponges. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it helps you decide if this Beauty Blender dupe is right for you. If you are ready to try them for yourself, I have a link down below in the description, so click down below to grab yours. If you did enjoy today's video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up down below. Also, comment below and let me know, would you give these Beaky makeup sponges a try? If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.